Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to see how the data in sheet 1 can be duplicated in sheet 2. So for example, if I type in sheet 1, so this data in sheet 1 should appear in sheet 2 automatically. So how do we do that? To do that, we go to the Visual Basic editor, where we shall write a simple code. So to go to the Visual Basic editor, you can press on Alt F11 or on the developer tab here. So you click, then you go to Visual Basic. So let me remove this module first. We remove that. And also clear this one. So then you insert a module. So in this module, then you create a subroutine where you can call it copying, and then or editing or updating data. Then within this subroutine, declare variables, that is dim ws as worksheet, then sh as worksheet, then j as long, then I as long, and maybe one more variable a. Then set ws equal to sheet1, set sh equal to sheet2, I equal to 1. Then here we can do, that is, we can say do while I is equal to, or it is less than or equal to count a, in brackets, that is, we are going to count whatever is in column A, that is in sheet 1. And since count A is a worksheet function, so we can use application.worksheet function, evaluate function, or the square brackets. So I will use the square brackets. So we put the square brackets there. Then j will equal to sheet2, that is sh dot cells rows dot count, comma 1. So that is column A dot end excelup dot row. Then A will equal to sheet 1, that is ws dot range. So we want to offset the row in sheet 1, that is the second row. So therefore we say A2 to D2 dot offset, so that is I, 0. dot value. So then, so the values that will be offset from here, so now they will be taken in sheet 2. So we say sheet 2, that is sh dot range j plus 1. So we are adding 1 because j will be 2. That is, let us go to the worksheet and we see that. So here, this will be 2. The 2 rows have been taken, so the data will start from the third row. So then we continue here. So therefore, this should be sheet 2 dot cells. So that is the cell in column A, that is sheet 2. Then sh dot cells j plus 1. Then the fourth column, so that is D. So therefore we have 4 here. Close brackets again, is equal to A. So all those columns will offset a value up to the fourth column. So then let us loop. So here I say loop, and then here we need to say I is equal to I plus 1. Then J is equal to J plus 1. Then before we start looping, we need to clear sheet 2 first. So here we say sh dot range A3 to D3, or that is maybe D1000. Then close brackets dot clear contents. So that is it. So let us go to the worksheet and we test this. So that is, we observe what will happen in sheet 2. So press F8 to check that. So, and the data has not been offset properly. Yes, I can see here we didn't put a comma, so comma should be comma 1. And then let us go to the worksheet and correct that. So we copy this header and paste it in sheet 2. So then we remove this. So then we go back to VBE, we press F8. So we stop this first, then press F8. So press F8. So that way, and the first one has been offset. So that is the second one, the third one, and we don't have the fourth one, so it will clear at this point. So it ends there. So maybe here we can put exit sub once it is through. So that is perfect. So we go to now automating. So that is when you're typing here, so the value should appear automatically in sheet 2. So to do that, we shall go back to the VBE. Then we need a worksheet change. So that is click on sheet 1. Then select worksheet. We need to stop that. Then worksheet change. So then we remove this. So here we shall put a condition that if not application dot intersect so target comma range, so that is the columns in sheet 1 A to D. So that is A to D, close brackets, then close brackets again, is nothing, then and if. So if it is nothing, so we need to call the module here, that is the subroutine, so which is copying editing data. So then here we type call, so call, so we call that one. So what this will do is that if you make any change in column A to D, that is in sheet 1, then sheet 2 will be activated. So any small change in sheet 1 column A to D. So let us try that. So in sheet 1, if we type anything here, so now it will appear in sheet 2 automatically. So type 004. So if you check sheet 2, so it is recorded there. So let us type something else. So processor. So how many processors? Maybe 5 at 25,000 shillings. So we check in sheet 2. So it is recorded automatically. So let us type something else, 005. So that is maybe VGA cable. So how many? So 10. So 2000. So check and you see that it is recorded there. So if you are editing something here, so for example, instead of motherboard, so if you delete that, automatically on this other side it is also deleted. So for example, after deleting, you type in keyboard. And how many keyboard? So 10 of them at 7,000. So automatically that one is recorded in this other sheet. So that is whatever you do in sheet 1 is recorded in sheet 2. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my videos.